We've got a question here. Yeah. तो मैं एक second. Beena has given a question. Also talk about this generation's relationship after this topic. Okay, we'll take
Sure.
that maybe in another session. Couple relationship in youth or young age. Fine.
Yeah.
So what I have seen is that parents I tell them like I need the session with both of you together and then only I will take the child. So the parents ask me, but why do you want to do that? हम बच्चे का problem है, हमारा कोई problem नहीं है. We are quite fine with each other. So I said, sir, अगर आप पेड़ के जो फ्रूट्स है उसके ऊपर काम करना है तो उसके रूट्स को देखना पड़ेगा ना, तब पता चलेगा. तो प्लीज
So
आप आइए.
it's hard for people to accept that, you know what, we all need to change. It's not about always the other. I think it's a lot about us also where change is needed. And I think the sooner we accept it, the sooner we see results in life.
राइट
वो है ना
एंड
मेंटल हेल्थ और काउंसलिंग के टुवर्ड्स ना अभी भी लोगों को स्टिग्मा है कि उनको ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, मैं गलत कैसे हो सकती हूँ.
सही बात.
Why is it that I need to change? Why is it that the other can't change? But you need to understand that the other doesn't exist. It's
Now, when you're
about you.
talking, yes, when you're talking about this other, I was just about to say that कि ये other कुछ नहीं होता, हम ही हम हैं. Like, you know, a part of me is a part of you as well. So the day you realize that you have the entire universe within you. So
Yes,
अगर
yes, yes.
आपको कुछ हो रहा है तो मुझे भी हो रहा है. See, what is happening right now is also very relevant. Like we are coming together as an universe and focusing on the universal consciousness which is actually protecting our country.
Absolutely,
Right.
absolutely,
So
absolutely.
मेरा दर्द नहीं होता, तेरा दर्द भी मेरा दर्द है, मेरा दर्द भी तेरा दर्द है. Like
Like I always tell my clients and patients one only thing, that remember just one sutra in your life,
yeah.
which is that everyone around me is a reflection of me. So
True.
whatever you are actually looking at in the other is something that exists in you also. And everyone around you is a mirror of you. And the sooner you accept this, you will see that life will unfold in a very beautiful manner. I think I have learned the maximum about myself through observing others, and maximum about myself through actually my clients and my patients who come to me, because with time I realize that they also reflect a part of me. There is something that either I have gone through in my life that they come with, or either it is something that I'm going through in my life that they come with. Of course, with time it has evolved that it is a forte that I've chosen because I have known and I've gone through a lot in that space already.
True.
So then I
True.
chose that, no, yeah, इसमें तो
No,
मैंने बहुत सारा सीख लिया.
God always gives you that experience, before the client comes in,
Yes,
you've
yes,
already
yes.
experienced it, so that you
True,
can just
true.
give it to them. So there's
I'm
one
sure you
question.
know. I'm sure you've gone through this too, as much as
Of
I'm saying
course,
it.
I'll share that example later on. Just remind me, there's one question that's
Sure,
come.
sure.
But do you think that the parents are open to change? 1 minute. Prakrit, I think she just answered that question. Do you think the parents are open to change? So my question is, Prakrit, are you open to change? Are you able to perceive your parents in a different way? Then I think you will
Very
get your
important.
answers. And
Very
yes,
important.
Prakrit, there have been parents who have come to me who have, been guided and they have taken the decision of coming together when they were on the verge of divorce for their own kids. Yeah. So, yes, Prakrit, thank you for understanding what we were telling. And yes, do reflect on yourself. And definitely, I'm sure you're the anchor of your family. Why मुझे वो vibes आ रहे हैं. और एक ऐसा बंदा होता है फैमिली में जो पूरे फैमिली को बांध के रखते हैं. तो I think you are the one. You can just DM me later on and mention if there is anything else by which we can help you. So, Namrata, I just wanted to ask you one more question, which is a very important question. That कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, empathy is a character, is a value that every counselor should have. But over empathy, कभी कभी हम लोग घुस जाते हैं उस चीज में. तो क्या कभी ऐसे हो गया है कि you have felt the pain of your client?
So, I think, like I shared earlier, that the whole earthquake phase that I went through in my life. Before that, only when I used to counsel before that, and that was in a very initial time of my career when I just finished my masters, and I said, okay, I want to practice. I was a little vulnerable. I was
हाँ.
quite vulnerable at that time because I wasn't enough trained, and I was handling issues at that time which I think I was too young for. When I started my career, I started with counseling people at Johnson and Johnson. And
Okay.
at that time, I think I was about 22, 23, and I was counseling people who are 45, 50, 55. So I used to be sitting in front of them, and they used to be like, "Are you going to counsel us?" And I said, "Yeah, I'm a trained counselor." And so when we took the first two, three clients, I was if I'm in the right place or not. So, and at that time they would come up with relationship issues, and they would share with me about extramarital affairs and blah blah blah. And I said, okay, what is all this? I mean, I was too new to the outside world at that time. Let me join in a minute again, huh? Biji, just 1 minute.
Yes, 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 yes. So you've heard Namrata Jain on Zindagi Ka Parcha Chai Pe Charcha Biji ke Saath. Yeah, so you were talking about
Johnson and Johnson and what exactly was happening there. So I used to have people sharing a lot with me about their relationships and extramarital affairs and how children related issues people were having. And I said, okay, I mean, this is all very new to me. Yeah, I'd heard of these issues people having in the studies that we did and the books that we read. But in life, I had not seen any of these things. And thus, somewhere there were times when internally I would feel very drained out at the end of the day. I'd be like, oh God, this was too much. And I actually had a very big shock as to what is reality, because I think until then we've all lived in a bubble. Saying that, oh, life has to be perfect and things are always very good and relationships are like perfect thing and people literally fall in love and things happen like that. And when I'm listening to extramarital affairs after 10 years of relationships and marriages, I thought, oh my God, this world is a different place completely. So in that sense, I think I actually had a very big shake that happened. And there were times when with my clients itself, when they would go through those ups and downs so much, I think I gave in way too much than what was needed, and I would actually make that effort where one of my clients that I had, and this was a very senior level guy from Johnson and Johnson, and his wife, both of them were coming to counseling to me, and his wife would weep so much that there was a point when I started going to her house to counsel her. Because first two sessions they were like, you're too young to counsel us. But by the third session, they realized that no, she has that thing in her to get me out of this. And this lady would weep so much that I would go out of my way, where I stopped charging her for sessions. And I said that no, I need to figure this out. And I would go home and counsel her children. And then after a certain point, after a month or two, I realized, Namrata, what are you getting into? You've crossed your professional line so much so that you've actually gotten into the space of taking these people as someone who mean a lot to you now.
True.
And that was one time when I slipped. And though nothing happened where it created a very bad impact on me, but I realized that professionally you need to draw the line. And I think since then it has since then I actually trained myself into it, because I started from that time I started having a counselor for myself. I think you were asking me the next question, which was related to me having a counselor in my life.
Correct.
When I basically eventually realized that this is one field where I think you need a mentor or a counselor for your own self also, because since you keep listening to so much of ups and downs that people are going, through in their lives, somewhere you internalize some things. Consciously or subconsciously, you internalize certain things, and it just happens by default. Not something that you choose, but it just happens. The moment I realized that no, there is somebody who I need to speak to time, I think things changed a lot for me. I became a person who eventually got trained. The moment I'm out of my cabin, it's all blank. That's why I've started actually writing down everything that my client says, because मैं भूल जाती हूँ when I get out of my cabin that actually what was told to me at that time, because I
But
had
don't
to
you,
train myself for that.
no, but don't you do some, see, there are certain processes that you can do to
Yeah,
insulate yourself from the
yeah,
energies that
yeah.
come across.
Mm-hmm.
So do you do such processes?
So I do a lot of meditation myself.
Hmm.
That's one thing I definitely practice very closely, and a lot of mindfulness. I think mindfulness meditation is one thing that can change a person's life 360 degrees.
Agree totally, 100%.
In everything that you do, only if you practice mindfulness, I don't think we would have issues in life.
True.
I don't think things would be as tough as they are otherwise, because we'd be so careful of everything that we do. And yes, initially it is something that you need to do consciously. With time, it becomes a very subconscious approach, of life. And that
Yes.
training is something that I feel is essential for every professional, every individual also, which I personally call as mind training.
Thanks for viewing, and I'm sure you've had a good time. Like, comment, subscribe, and share as much as possible so that others too can be enlightened. We'll be happy to bring you more and more videos, and if you have any queries with regards to personal development and personal growth, do write to us at seminarbiji@gmail.com or message us on 8355 824 990. I win when you win. God bless.